Assisted dating.
Yeah.
Which is the new show. This is the new
Yeah.
show. So tell us about it.
So assisted dating is a fun, family-friendly.
May I interrupt?
Yeah.
Sorry, before you tell us. You see this Ayush and a couple of boys in this room. They
Yeah.
need help.
Yeah, I can help them. Yeah, this is an area that
Forget
I
the
where I can
comedy.
help.
They really need help.
Yeah,
Okay, because
I do think that your team needs help.
28 years, no girl has said
How long have you been working with him?
2 years. And he was, when he came, he was 22. Now he's 36 in 2
Yeah,
years.
he.
It's
Of
just-
course, men like people working with you, of course, are going to age faster.
Fair enough. But without being personal, do you think he has a chance in the market?
Yeah, he has.
Are you mad? Don't lie.
We are in a country जहाँ पे पेड़ की
false
कुत्तों की शादी हो
promises.
जाती है यार.
वो ठीक है. They are good looking. At the end of the day,
आदमियों का तो
Anchal, they are
कुछ भी हो
good
ही
looking.
सकता है.
They are good looking. It doesn't matter about species. If it's good looking, it's good looking. Ayush, शक्ल देखा? Oh my God. Okay, sorry.
I think Ayush is a great chance.
Wow.
Ayush
You just
ambitious.
want, she's a commercial person, MBA करके आई है. So she knows what to say for the market.
Of
The market
course.
Ayush is the market. Many
I don't
Ayushes.
believe in league system. I think everybody could be in everybody's league. You just have to be in their orbit for them to know you.
Yeah.
Like I used to really believe that I could be
Can
with
I
Josh
tell her
Clooney.
your what you say? Please, can I tell her? नहीं करना
What?
पड़ता है यार. I think करना
Say,
पड़ता
say,
है.
say.
So he has told all the people. We please take a shot of Ayush later to show people who Ayush is. He says he doesn't believe in first base and second base.
What is first base and
So
second base?
this is your people's, not mine. I'm told.
Acha, oh,
First base का
they
मतलब-
know the same thing.
First
Okay.
base मतलब how far
हाँ,
you
got
go.
it, got it,
Second
got
base.
it. Got it,
third
yeah,
base.
got it.
वो सब बेकार चीज है. I believe in only ultimate base. तो मैं सोचा ये
These are
गंदी
your
बात है.
words.
No, wait. ये गंदी बात है ना. So what is ultimate base? It's not what we think it is, some mad sexual fantasy. It means कि just learning to be with someone as a companion and talking with them. That's it.
That is the ultimate
So,
base.
The word loser, हिंदी में क्या होता है loser? हारने वाला, हार गया. But there's no one noun, I think. I can't think. Anyway, so what do we do with this guy, ultimate base? कौन आएगा उसके साथ? Romance.
Oh, it's nice, yaar. He's a green flag energy. He's looking for a companion. No, it's like, you want to be with someone that you can be with and not be with simultaneously, right? Like you
she's
can do your
understanding
own
your
thing.
energy.
Yeah. I have been talking to so many participants who are coming for the show. Of course, I understand worse than this, yaar. What are you talking about?
Okay, ठीक है. So let's understand the show. Then we'll see in what context you have a position here.
Yeah.
So show का exact.
So show is a family-friendly show
Yeah,
wherein people have sent us their preferences about themselves, like a fun biodata sort of thing. And then we interview them. We sit with them on a video call for like 1.5 hours. We chat with them.
You do all
understand.
this?
Yeah. We understand them. We do a vibe check. We see what their preferences are, and basis on that, we match them with someone and then introduce them on stage. So instead of your parents who actually show up for your arranged marriage date and talk,
Professional parents.
it's the we are the comedians who are actually. So it's like it's love arranged by comedians, not parents. And it's a family friendly
इसका-
show. We are
इसका
calling parents and all.
ultimate goal क्या है? To
To
actually
actually fix
yeah,
people
yeah.
on a good date.
Has
and
it
all.
happened?
It has happened, yeah. A few people have said yes for the dates, and then the second date that they go after the show, beyond the show, the one time we pay for their date and we actually set it up so that they don't have the stress of managing the date, of like deciding कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, पैसे कितने
Budget?
spend करने हैं, and all. We do it. All of it we do.
But budget कितना होगा?
That we will ask them कि
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ because the second date then puts pressure on the couple. Because first day अगर ताजमहल गया and you spend
अरे but
20
then that तो फिर that is never ending. No, we just want them to spend time without the stress of कि क्या पहनना है, कैसे जाना है, कहाँ जाना है and all. So one time we help them do all that, and then they have to take care of themselves.
Do they get physical?
Nobody has gotten physical yet.
ये कैसा डेट है? I'm 54 years old. I come there for what? Handshake?
I am.
भाई ये नहीं चलेगा.
You come there for nothing.
आयुष will
Yeah.
ये आयुष का golden dream है.
You are
और
not. The...
देखो second date हो नहीं पाएगा. No point.
Yeah, but this is the reason why we have a block list also. People that we don't allow in the audience and people that we definitely don't allow in the participation. Why we are talking to contestants for like an hour to understand.
Like how will you red flag or whatever you call it? How do you
यार
say
इतना तो अब
disqualify?
यार इतना टाइम हो गया है. We understand vibes. थोड़ा तो समझ में आ जाता है.
मतलब but what will trigger you that this guy is dangerous or something like?
I think like this is a dangerous thing that you just said. So you will probably never be allowed on the show.
What?
Like are they getting physical?
I'm-
like immediately.
I'm saying it in fun. I'm saying this guy is taking
know,
it
I
seriously, so
understand.
I don't think they would say that to you. Would they say
So
that to you?
no, समझ में आ जाती है. Honestly, थोड़ी बहुत vibes तो समझ में आ जाती है. Plus, what happens is sometimes people on stage also end up saying something that you think that is not something nice. So there have been times where I have not introduced them to the person that we found for them. We just said goodbye to them, that we'll call you back. Like, we respectfully say that, like, you know, why don't you wait? We'll introduce the other participant and we'll call you back, and we don't call them back.
And then 35 years later, no date. Still, same story.
But you have a son, no?
And a daughter.
Where did they come from?
Twice. My wife की picture.
So you have a wife.
You can't have a child alone.
That's what I'm trying to understand.
Bro, I don't want to explain this to you. Do you have diagrams? I have a wife. Then we had physical
This-
relations on 2 occasions.
Just 2 occasions.
Just 2 occasions.
So you are also like tigers.
I'm like
basically.
the tiger. My stripes have gone. They've fallen off. My tail is also gone.
And you still have the wife.
My wife is not gone per se, but yeah, she's there. I think after a certain age, no wife leaves also. What to do?
Oh, so
मैंने
you are
दरबार-
lonely like that. You're not lonely like on paper.
No, but weekends I'm free. वो नहीं चलेगा? No. अभी आयुष का कुछ करो यार. Come
I
on.
should come on the show.
Ayush, you were born in Nasik, no? So he's a Punjabi from Nasik, so he's very
Oh, fun.
Punjabi
So you
from
speak
Nasik.
Marathi, Punjabi both? Hindi, English also?
No, the problem is he speaks it together. तो उसका समझ में नहीं आता.
Yeah. So you speak 4 languages. Wow.
पाजी
yeah.
क्या करते हो? I don't know.
Jaudana. I just know
Yeah.
Jaudana.
No, but can we get him a?
Yeah, you come on the show, Ayush.
You now this is we make sure you go on the show, huh? You have to go. We'll record it from our side also. She gives us permission. We have to see कि आयुष का क्या हुआ.
Yeah. Come.
Who are the other comedians?
In the Mumbai show, upcoming Mumbai show, we have Ronak Rajani,
Oh, nice.
Sumukhi Suresh, and
Oh,
Pavitra
nice.
Shetty. Then Khamba, Uruj
Yeah.
have come. Then Ashish Solanki has come in the previous episode.
But are these guys experts?
Nishant Tawar has come. Everyone is an expert in
Oh,
dating.
so कहने में
Yeah.
क्या है, but that's fine. But
We have Gaurav Gupta coming
Is
in the
he
Delhi show. Gaurav
expert?
Gupta is exciting. He always talks about Bania getting married to Punjabi and all. That's his content. So
Right.
I thought it would be great to have him.